In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple landing page inside ActiveCampaign step by step. Let's get started. So first, on the left-hand menu, click on Website. And by default, you'll see the Forms tab, but we want to work with Pages. So switch to that tab, then hit Add New Page. In here, you'll see a bunch of templates that you can use. You can also start from scratch, but to keep things very quick, I'll pick one of the ready-made templates. So I'll go with the one for the asset downloads. This is perfect if you're giving away something like a checklist or an ebook. Click Use this template and then give your page a name. So in this case, I'll name it Free Lead Magnet Landing Page. And once you're done, click Save. And now you'll be inside the landing page builder. If you've used website builders before, this will look familiar. In the middle, you'll see a preview of the page. On the right, you'll find the elements that you can drag and drop, like images, text, forms. You can also switch between desktop and mobile view at the top. Now let's clean things up. I'll delete the parts that I don't need. Just click the little trash can icon. I'll remove the logo and header area and keep the image section for now. To replace the sample image, just click on it and upload your own. Maybe a mock-up or a cover of your freebie. So for the title, let's write something attention-grabbing. So for example, boost your sales by 312% in 1 month using my free optimization checklist. Next, let's add a form where people can enter their name and email. On the right, choose Inline Form and drag it onto your page. You can either use an existing form or create a new one. So I'll go ahead and build a new form. Now name the form something like Lead Magnet Sign Up Form and choose the list where contacts will be added, such as your master contact list, then click Start Building, and then wait for it to load. Now you're back in the form builder. Customize it however you want, and one important thing here is setting up what happens after someone signs up. Instead of just showing a thank you message, you might want to send them to another page like the second step of your funnel. So over there on the On Submit section, enter the URL of the second page. For now, I'll just use a Google as a placeholder. Then click Add to Page to place the form on your landing page. And then now your page has a deadline, an image, and a form. Nice and very simple. And when you're ready, click Publish Page on the top right. You'll get a URL for your landing page. You can use your own domain too if you have one. Click View Live to test it out, and then fill in the form and hit Submit. You should be taken to the page you linked earlier, like Google if it shows up. Go to your contact section to confirm the info that was captured correctly. Now let's create the second page of the funnel. Go back to Website and then Page, and then click Add New Page and choose another template. I'll use Assets Download 2, name it Funnel Step 2, and then click Save. Once you're done customizing, publish it just like the first one. And now let's connect the two pages. Go back to Pages, click the arrow next to Funnel Step 2, and then copy its URL. Then go to Forms, find your form, like Lead Magnet Sign Up Form, and then click Edit. And then under Options, replace the Google URL with the new Funnel Step link. And then click Save and Exit. And now let's test everything out. Go to your landing page, fill in some dummy info, and hit Submit. You should now land on the second step of your funnel. And that's it. You now have a working two-step funnel built with ActiveCampaign.